Hello, I'm Dr. Darren Wayne, and I am a food scientist. Over the last 30 years, I've helped thousands of men, women, and children in varying stages of diabetes finally balance their blood sugar naturally. But nowadays, the food all around us is completely processed. This has forced me to formulate the first 100% organic diabetic meal replacement, and I call it Mealbetics. It's very delicious. It has 14 of the healthiest blood sugar balancing superfoods on earth. And you replace one or preferably two meals every single day. You'll save time. You'll save a lot of money. Many are saving hundreds every month on their food bill, in fact. You no longer have to worry about counting carbs because I've done it for you. It's low carb, it's paleo, it's keto, it's vegan, it's delicious, and it's for all ages from fetus to senior citizen. And because I don't want money to be your excuse, I bought you one. And I want to send it to you for free. Just pay shipping and handling. You can try for a whole week. Within that time, you'll see exactly what Mealbetics can do for you and how much time and money you can save and how much healthier your blood sugar can be. It's very satisfying, and again, it's very delicious. You can mix it in water or mix it in a shake. It's up to you. And again, fill in your information, and I will send a Mealbetics out to you within the next couple days. Talk to you soon.